In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM in this laptop. This is Dell Latitude 3440. So these are the screws which have to be removed and then put the RAM inside. The RAM that it supports is this PC43200. The one which it is got as same one. There are two slats. One slat is already been fixed with 8 GB. Another 8 GB we're going to put in this. Now let's just unbox. Let's just open that. So to open it, you need two things. One is prying tool. This is Phillips screwdriver, and you better have some kind of soft material below. And first unscrew these screws. Once you've done all the screws opening, you have to open from this end, not this end. To open, and this, it should be like that. So now let's do it. Put it like this and hold the prying tool and keep inserting it here in this side. Same way, this end.
Actually, this support till 110 another 4,000 foot. I was getting like 110 on charge. Why that much I don't know.
Here are the RAM slot. See the RAM which is there already. Let's open it and see. Look at this. PC4 3200. The one which we are going to put is same. This is one we are going to put, and this be here, and just put this here. Done. Now let us check and then close it. By closing, you'll have to close it like this.
But this time, why I said even the sound, this sound will be after some days starting 1 year it will be nice. Even if it go and also after
now let's check and then tighten up all the screws. And we have the charger here with us. Insert it.
So only I think the brand from the
Now press and keep pressing F2 so that it will take us to BIOS.
Moto is an Indian standard company, you know that? Moto, Indian standard company. And even the Vodafone SIM is totally. 16 GB RAM. Earlier it was 8 GB. Now this has become 16 GB RAM. Yes, see the two DIMM slots. Those two slots are filled. 8 GB and 8 GB. So complete total RAM capacity is 16 GB. That is how it is. That's all it is. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.